Hi guys and welcome. Are you ready to take your earning potential to the next level? Meet AI Avatar, a game-changing technology for online entrepreneurs. With this AI avatar, you'll have access to unprecedented earning opportunities that will make you wonder and inspired. Join us today and discover the power of artificial intelligence and how you can use it to make more profit.
Have you heard of Avatar AI yet? It's a revolutionary tool that lets you turn yourself into a photorealistic AI avatar. And let me tell you, the possibilities are endless. You can choose from 112 plus different styles, ranging from punk desert warrior to jungle Instagram model to video game protagonist, and let your imagination run wild. It's like becoming whoever you want to be, all with just a few clicks of a button. The process is simple. After payment, you get a link to upload your photos and start the creation process. The service uses advanced AI algorithms like Stable Diffusion and Dream Booth to generate avatars that look just like you but in the styles you choose. They recommend taking 10 close-up photos of your face, 3 profile shots from the side, 5 chest height photos, and 3 full-length photos. The more different your images are, the better the results will be. High-quality photos work best. And it's important to remember to look away from the camera and have a variety of facial expressions and backgrounds. And it's not just for humans. You can turn your furry friends into AI avatars too. Imagine being able to have your paid portrait in a punk desert warrior style or a jungle Instagram model. The options are endless. And if you're in a relationship, why not turn yourselves into a couple and show off your unique style to the world? The first in the world to offer AI photos, Avatar AI uses artificial intelligence to turn your small square AI avatar into a full-size 2:3 AI photo in 4K resolution. It's a great way to save time and money on an actual photo shoot, which can cost anywhere from $300 to $3,000. You can get over 120 4K AI avatars with Avatar AI for just $367. The AI visualization model used by the service, Stable Diffusion, was created by many researchers at LMU Munich and Runaway ML with the support of Emad Mostak and others at Stability AI. Meanwhile, Dream Booth, an open-source deep learning generation model, was developed by researchers such as Nathaniel Ruiz of Google Research and Boston University in 2022. It allows you to train AI visualization models to be who you are in photos, and then generate any image in any style you want. Creating your avatars takes about 46 minutes, and Avatar AI accepts payments through various methods including credit or debit cards, MasterCard, Visa, American Express, Ideal, Software, Bancontact, Prelevi24, GeoPay, EPS, GrabPay, Alipay, and many others. But unfortunately, they do not accept PayPal or cryptocurrency and do not plan to shortly. In addition to creating AI avatars and photos, Avatar AI also offers other features that make the experience even more enjoyable. For example, users can use the built-in photo editor to adjust the brightness, contrast, saturation, and other settings for each avatar. This way you can fine-tune your avatars to make them look even more like you, or adjust the style to your preference. Another cool feature is the ability to create personalized animations with your AI avatars. You can use the animations as your profile pictures on social media, as a way to introduce yourself in a video, or as a fun way to share your personality with friends and family. The animations are created using a combination of AI algorithms and motion graphics, and are sure to be a hit on social media. The AI avatars and photos created by Avatar AI can also be used for various purposes. For example, an AI avatar can be the perfect solution if you're looking for a new profile picture for your social media account. They are unique, stylish, and a fun way to showcase your personality. You can also use them for professional purposes, such as creating a LinkedIn profile picture or as a professional profile photo for your resume or portfolio. Another excellent use for Avatar AI is for dating purposes. If you're looking for a new way to show off your personality and interests, why not create an AI avatar of yourself in a style that represents who you are? You can create a romantic couple's avatar with your significant other, or even a pet portrait of your furry friend. The possibilities are endless. In conclusion, Avatar AI is a powerful and innovative tool that allows users to create AI avatars and photos that are photorealistic, fun, and unique. The possibilities are endless with over 112 styles to choose from and the ability to adjust your avatars with the built-in photo editor. So why not try Avatar AI today and see what kind of AI avatar or photo you can create for yourself? Have you heard about ReflectMe? It's a fantastic AI-based service that lets you create custom digital images of yourself that are truly one of a kind. With ReflectMe, you can make your own personalized AI avatar, profile picture, LinkedIn profile photo, and more. The best part is, it's so much fun. So how does it work? ReflectMe uses two state-of-the-art algorithms, Stable Diffusion and Dream Booth, to create your custom images. You can choose from a wide range of digital art styles, including anime, doctor, Santa, costume, bride, Viking, cartoon, aura, idol, astronaut, alumnus, chef, scion, king, and cowboy. With so many options, you can find one that suits your personality and style. To start, you simply upload some photos of yourself. These photos train a temporal AI model, which generates your desired images. The best part is ReflectMe checks each image manually to ensure the highest quality possible. Once the process is complete, the shots are emailed to you, and your photos and the AI model are deleted for good, so you can rest assured that your privacy is protected. Here are a few things to keep in mind when using ReflectMe. You should upload about 10 photos of your face and upper body in different lighting, angles, and facial expressions. These will help the AI model to create the best images possible. Then, images are provided in a square format, 512 or 512, so they're perfect for social media and other online profiles. ReflectMe offers a Discover Pack of 20 images with your initial purchase. This is a great way to try out different art styles and see which ones you like best. And that's not all. ReflectMe is constantly updating and improving its service so that you can expect even more exciting features and options in the future. They're always on the cutting edge of technology and dedicated to providing their users with the best possible experience. Not only is ReflectMe fun and easy to use, but it's also affordable. With prices starting at just a few dollars, it's a small investment for a significant impact. You don't have to be a tech expert in using ReflectMe. The service is designed with the average person in mind, so anyone can enjoy it. Another great thing about ReflectMe is that it's perfect for all occasions. Whether you're looking to create a unique profile picture for social media or you're looking to revamp your LinkedIn profile for a job search, ReflectMe has got you covered. And with various art styles, you're sure to find one that fits your personality and style. In summary, ReflectMe is a must-try service for anyone looking to make a statement online. With its state-of-the-art technology, user-friendly interface, and affordable prices, it's no wonder why ReflectMe has become so popular. So what are you waiting for? Sign up for ReflectMe today and see why it's the best AI-based digital image creation service on the market. Have you heard of ReadyPlayerMe yet? It's an awesome cross-game avatar platform for the meta universe that lets you create and customize 3D avatars using selfies. And let me tell you, the customization options are endless. With over 300 choices and the ability to import NFTs, you can make your avatar truly reflect your unique personality. That's not even the best part. You can use your customized avatar in over 7,000 supported apps and games. And for the developers, ReadyPlayerMe offers a seamless integration platform with Unity and Unreal Engine SDKs. That means you can integrate the avatar platform into your own apps and games in just a matter of hours. And recently, the team at ReadyPlayerMe launched ReadyPlayerMe Labs, giving developers and users early access to experimental designs and features. The first release of Labs includes an AI-based avatar creator using DALL-E to generate unique textures based on user requests. And in response to popular demand, the team now allows users to customize tops, pants, and shoes. But the team at ReadyPlayerMe has even bigger plans for the future of avatar customization. They are working on AI-powered stylization, gender-neutral body types, different body shapes, and age preset to add even more variety and personalization options for users. And with the latest version of the Unity SDK, 1.11.0, You can now take advantage of the Render API directly in the Unity SDK to create 2D rendered avatars for leaderboards or user profiles in your game. Plus, with the addition of runtime avatar caching, loading multiple avatars is now more efficient and faster for users. And the SDK includes SDK Logger, a debugging tool that helps you keep track of the avatar load and status. And that's just the tip of the iceberg regarding what the ReadyPlayerMe platform has to offer. But that's not all. The team behind ReadyPlayerMe is always working on new and exciting updates and features to improve the platform. They are constantly listening to the community and gathering feedback to ensure they deliver what users want. And they also host regular events and contests where users can showcase their creativity and win fantastic prizes. So whether you're a gamer, developer, or just looking for fun and unique way to express yourself, ReadyPlayerMe is the perfect platform. With endless customization options, fun features, and constant updates, there's no limit to what you can create and achieve in the meta universe. So why wait? Sign up today and join the fun. Have you heard of PostAI? It's an incredible platform that allows you to create your personalized avatar in over 100 styles. Can you imagine being transformed into a winter goddess or a movie star? The possibilities are endless. Here's how it works. You simply upload 10-20 photos of yourself to the platform and the AI does the rest. The training process can take up to 90 minutes, but once it's complete, you'll receive an email informing you that your stunning portraits are ready to be viewed on your dashboard. The AI technology used by PostAI is cutting edge and creates photorealistic representations of you, enhancing your facial features to make your avatar look just like you. And the best part? The images are rendered in 4K quality, so they're perfect for use as profile pictures of social media posts. Plus, if you want to print your avatar on paper, clothing, or posters, the high-resolution images will make your printed products look amazing. PostAI supports JPG, PNG, and HEIC photo formats, and don't worry about your photos being stored forever. They'll be deleted within 24 hours. And when it comes to security, you can rest easy knowing that your data is stored in secure facilities in the United States. Making payments on PostAI is easy and secure, thanks to their partnership with Stripe, a leading payment processing company. And if you're not completely satisfied with your purchase, you have 14 days to request a refund, as long as you have yet to use your token. However, please note that PostAI does not offer free trials due to the effective use of processing power. If you have any questions about the service, be sure to check out their FAQ page. And if you need additional help, the PostAI customer support team is always available to assist you. In addition to the variety of styles available, PostAI offers several customization options to make your avatar unique. You can adjust the hair color, eye color, skin tone, and more to create an avatar that truly represents you. And if you're unsure which style to choose, the platform has a feature allowing you to preview each type before making your final decision. And it's not just for personal use. Businesses can also benefit from PostAI. If you own a small business, you can create an avatar of yourself or your employees to use as a company logo on business cards or even on your website. The high-quality images will give your business a professional and polished look. Another great feature of PostAI is the ability to save your avatars and access them anytime. So if you create an avatar for a special occasion, you can easily use it again without going through the training process again. PostAI is an innovative and fun platform that allows you to bring your imagination to life. Whether you want to create an avatar for personal use, business, or fun, PostAI has something for everyone. So why not try it today and see what kind of avatar you can create? Have you heard about DreamPick AI yet? It's a fantastic platform that lets you turn your ordinary photos into personalized works of art. And the best part, it's all done through artificial intelligence. Here's how it works. First, upload 10-30 photos of yourself, or someone else if you want, to the platform. Then you pick from a wide range of styles, including everything from celebrities to art deco, from African shamans to comic soccer players. You can suggest your custom style if you have a specific vision. Once you've picked your style, the DreamPick AI platform uses advanced technologies like Stable Diffusion and Dream Booth to train a neural network on your photos. This creates a model that can generate new images in your chosen style. And trust me, the results are excellent. So what can you do with these personalized images? Well, the sky's the limit. You can download and share the photos on social media, use them as your new profile picture, or even use them for commercial purposes. And because the platform is fee-based, you can be sure that your photos and information are kept safe and secure. Now I know you might be thinking, but what if I want to try a different style later? Don't worry, DreamPick AI has got you covered. You can reuse or download the trained model and create images in as many different styles as you like. The possibilities are endless. And that's not all. DreamPick AI is constantly adding new styles to its list, so you'll always have options. Whether you're into futuristic cyberpunk, vintage steampunk, or the latest pop art trends, you'll find it all here. And if you don't, suggest a new style, and who knows, it might end up being the next big thing. Another great thing about DreamPick AI is that you can create images of anyone you like. Maybe you have a friend who always wanted to be a comic soccer player, or perhaps you have a family member who wants to see themselves as a Greek deity. With DreamPick AI, you can make those dreams a reality. So whether you're an artist, a creative mind, or just someone who wants to have fun, DreamPick AI is the perfect platform. With its easy-to-use interface and cutting-edge technology, you'll be able to turn your ordinary photos into extraordinary works of art in no time. So if you're looking for a fun and unique way to express yourself or want some creative severe fun, DreamPick AI is the perfect platform. Try it out today and see what amazing images you can create.